quick video of it. This is a 1967 built. Who made this thing, Dan?
Jim. Yep.
Yes. So it's been decoderized. You said you put wires. Are they wires underneath the axles, or are they over?
They go underneath the axle, so I'm going to have a hard time getting the drivers out. Runs very smoothly, I'll have to say.
Here's the M. So you soldered these back together.
Yeah, the valve gear frame got soldered to the.
Oh, there's something else that broke off when I was working on it, or it fell off or something. I don't know if I physically broke
Let's
off.
see if it's on the list. It's the J. Here's the M. The crosshead guide is gone.
Oh, that's what it was. That
3
was in the box?
Yeah.
It was in the box? Okay, good.
Verify which side power polarities are. Solder Baker frames to brace it back. Yes, I did that. Fix front KD. Okay, the back one.
How old is that? That's ancient.
33 plus 13, 46 years old.